In today's episode, it's all about camping, grilling some delicious food, soaking in beautiful views, and disconnecting from the busy world. After a rainy adventure on Mackinac Island, we were ready for some peace and quiet. So we packed up and headed to the cozy campsite right on the shores of Lake Michigan. We are Sorin and Olga, and welcome to our channel. Let's enjoy this beautiful campsite together and even kickstart the day with refreshing cold plunge in the morning. Let's go! Wilderness State Park is located just 15 minutes away from Mackinac City, making it the perfect place to stay nearby. And it's not just a location, the stunning views of the lake make it even more special. Usually all of the campsites at this park getting booked up pretty quickly, but we got super lucky and found this lake view spot on the same day. Okay guys, time to camp, and today we have a special camping site with a view. That's a beautiful spot. Probably somebody canceled at the last minute, that's why it was available, but really nice. While I was admiring a beautiful views, Mr. Soren was not wasting time and building us some campfire. Oh wow, guys, the first sunshine of the day. The fire was burning, the charcoals was glowing, and the grill was getting ready for our campsite feast. Okay, for today dinner, we're gonna do some special camping dinner. Mr. Soren?
Homemade.
Homemade?
Definitely not homemade potato. But
Exactly. We're gonna have a nice and delicious dinner made by us. Chef Sorin and Chef Olga. Here you go. As an appetizer, we're gonna have some zucchini pancakes with Romanian zakuska. In true Romanian fashion, Mr. Soren's question was, okay, where is the bread? Well, this is more healthy. Yummy, yummy. Eating with the view of Lake Michigan. I'd like to say hello to Sorin's parents and thank you so much for zakuska. We're still eating it. Okay, potatoes are ready to be wrapped up. Zucchini, waiting for the turn. We don't have any oil, but here you go. I just put a little bit for something. Let's see. I hope it's gonna be good. Some people grill, while some people tend the fire. And some people make sure the Wi-Fi signal is still alive.
You should watch the fire, watch the lake.
Okay guys, let's talk about the prices. So the campsite like this is gonna cost you with the taxes and fees $53. Yep, it's Saturday, it's the middle of July, so get ready to pay a lot. Also, just so you know, for the Michigan, you're gonna need to have a seasonal recreation passport. So that's kind of like a sticker which you're paying like for a season, and that was another $40. Well, consider this as a donation to the parks of the state. The park is very well maintained with very clean campsites, restrooms, and showers. This park is home to 26 miles of beautiful Lake Michigan shoreline, 20 miles plus of trails, designated swimming and pet-friendly beach, and unique camping opportunity. The park is also designed as a dark sky preserve, offering stellar views of the sky. That's some good smoke, perfect for scaring the mosquitoes away. Now let's get a little more wood ready for later tonight.
Don't worry.
Thank you for the free wood to whoever left it at the last location.
Aloha.
Don't worry, if you didn't bring the campfire wood with you, some of the campsites offer the sale right on the side. We saw some bundles priced from $10 to $20, depends on what you need. But keep your eyes open on the side of the road, some people offering their wood for sale as well. It's 9 p.m. The food is cooking. I'm gonna go and try how is the lake. Is it cold or let's see. Nope, the water is actually not so cold. Really nice. Knock knock. Knock knock. May I come in? Okay, thank you. I have to climb. And finally our food is ready. Please don't judge. A little bit of charcoal, but it's okay. Bread, chicken, and potatoes. Bon appetit, guys.
Mr. Alex, we're missing you here to make the grill. You're the one with the patience and know-how. We're doing our best. That's all we can do.
Please don't judge. Mr. Soren forgot how to cook. Little bit.
Try it and then you'll see. Don't judge before that.
When you're hungry, everything is eatable.
Are you that hungry?
Oh, where I come from, these are the things I know. Never let your woman go, and never break her heart. Oh, but where I come from, there's only miles of broken roads, only love that'll never grow. It ends before it starts.
Okay guys, here by the fire, but unfortunately it started raining again, so we have to enjoy it as much as we can, and we're gonna see you tomorrow morning. Bye.
I will run, I will run, run away.
Good morning guys from pure Michigan, and as we promised, today is the cold plunge morning. Good morning, Mr. Sorin. Rise and shine.
Yeah, I didn't promise anything.
Okay, now for the real. Let's go have a cold plunge this morning. First time in Lake Michigan for the season. Let's go. Wish me luck.
Congratulations.
Yay! It's not so bad. It's very shallow. Look at this chicken.
Now it's my time. I don't really want to do it, but she's pressuring me. She's pressuring me.
Yeah, you didn't do cold plunge in the Arctic, do it here. Oh, you did it! How do you feel?
Good.
Like $1 million?
Oh, yeah.
Good job. Yay, we did it. Okay, we have to pack and let's go.
Ready to roll?
Hit the road, Jack.
Okay guys, thank you so much for camping with us. We have to pack and go home. Let's go. Thank you so much for staying and watching our cozy camping adventure. We hope you enjoyed tagging along. We promise that in the future we will give you a full tour of our travel buddy van Drogon. Until then, take care and we will see you on the next one. Bye!